Snoring can be an annoying habit that we might not even realize we're doing when we go to sleep. But have you ever wondered why we snore? Snoring is caused by improper airflow during sleep. While we're sleeping, soft tissue in the respiratory tract relaxes, which narrows the airway. But when the respiratory tract is more narrow, the airflow has to be stronger. That can cause our relaxed tissue to vibrate and make noise. I do not snore. Do I? A blockage of the airway can be caused by a number of things. A sinus infection, obesity, even how a person sleeps at night. Sleeping on your back can cause your tongue to cover the back of your throat. Chronic snoring can be a sign of sleep apnea, which is a serious medical condition. That's when a person might periodically stop breathing while they're asleep. So if you're concerned about snoring, contact a doctor who can set you up with a sleep test. Or maybe your partner already has.